with me, without me. Back to the Fence Show. We're really excited. We're going to head to the Fence Show this year, as we do every year. Look for us. We have a beautiful booth. We have a fantastic show that's in Vegas. Can't get better than that. Booth 1019. Find us there. Great weather, great food, and fantastic people to be with at the Fence Show. So Brian and Sue have been working diligently, getting all this together. It's just weeks away. We're excited about being there. The introduction of the RotGuard. For the first time, many of you will see it in person. We'll have it there, of course. Louis and I will be there. We'll have a good time together with all of you. If you'd like free registration, so if you're from the general public and you're in the Vegas area and you want to come in and see us, please do. The registration code is down below here. Please use that code and magically you'll get in for free. It starts October the 1st and ends on October the 3rd. So 3 days of Fence Show. So you'll get your fill of fence. I think it's also called the Security Expo. There's some other things there, but it's primarily in that genre, fence and gates and anything to do with that area of things. Of course, Fence Armor is always there to protect, prevent, and prolong. So yeah, we'd love to see you. We have a high strike, so if any of you guys want to test out your strength and try out our high strike, there's not many places where you can try a high strike anymore. I think it's kind of hard to come by. So yeah, grab a hammer. Our lovely assistant, Julie, will hand you a hammer and you can slam that really hard and win one of our prizes that you can get at the show. So lots of good reasons to be at the show anyway, but at the Fence Armor booth, we've even got some fun things for you to do there.
Yes, exactly.
And it's the Fence and Security Expo.
The Fence and Security. The Fence and Security.
The Fence and Security.
Oh, it's a charcuterie board.
Yeah, exactly.
The Fence and Charcuterie board.
That came out great.
Wait,
actually.
I'm always thinking about food.
Yeah.
Or charcuterie would be a nice thing to have as well. Hey, Brian, get on that, will you? Susan, let's have charcuterie boards everywhere we go. You can come to the Fence Armor booth. I'm not sure that we'll have a charcuterie board, but we definitely will have RotGuard. Now, you can chew on it, but your wood won't get chewed ever again with Fence Armor's RotGuard. So, a lot of cool stuff at the show. We'd love to see you. Occasionally, I can be funny. Buy me a drink. We'll discuss. Please like and subscribe. And if you don't recognize the man behind the curtain, it's me, Al Martins.
Oh, the great Oz has spoken. Oh, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.